In today's episode, let's understand how to stay connected to your car using the OE-fitted Suzuki Connect app. All you need to do is simply download the app from the Android Play Store or the Apple App Store. The app is supported on Android 7 version and above and on iOS 12 version and above. So once your app download is complete, sign up if you're a first-time user. Otherwise, just log in. Now, let's go through the 5 easy steps for logging in and signing up. Once you see the blue arrow at the bottom of the welcome screen, click and initiate sign up. Now, enter your name, email ID and contact number.
Remember to use the same mobile number as provided at the time of registration. In case you have to change the number, you have to pay a visit to the dealership.
Click on the Generate OTP button. Enter the OTP received on the given number and validation is done. Now, let's understand how to create your account. After you have entered the OTP, you'll see a Set Password screen. Set up a secure password and click on the Done button to proceed. An Account Successfully Created pop-up should appear on the screen and a verification link should be emailed to Set Email ID. Email validation link will be active for 24 hours. Just click on the link to validate your email ID. Now, press OK to move further. There you are. You have created your account. Now log in with the credentials that you had set. Upon logging in, you would see your car on the home screen. Tap on Connect and validate your car's VIN, Vehicle Identification Number, or the chassis number.
Chassis number is available in your car RC.
After you've validated your VIN, click on the Verify button. You will have to set a 4-digit MPIN now. Do that and click on Done. This will take you to the user dashboard. Welcome! Your Suzuki Connect app is all set to be used now. Enjoy your connected car experience. To know more about Suzuki Connect, log on to www.marutisuzuki.com/Suzuki Connect.